Now that's rock solid.
Pull up with your bitch, yeah, drop top. That boy talking shit, watch that pussy get drop. Running around in your hood, smoking dope, drop. Maserati M on it, you know that should be the drop. Yeah, with the top down, right around town, and your bitch down. Sucking on my dick, slop on my knob, make a nigga not quit. She ain't use no hands and she swallowing spit. Yeah. She only fuck with me cause she know I'm gonna be rich. Yeah. Find her on my bed in the morning. If you ain't fucking with me, I don't give a fuck. My gang with me and they keep it buck. Got these racks on me, I'ma stack it up. I got rock star jeans, bitch, I'm leathered up. Bitch, I got it up. I'ma get it up. I'ma that bitch get it up. In my Japanese denim, I'ma stun it. Yeah, bitch, I'm stunning. Yeah, I'm stunned on that bitch. I'ma flex on your clip. I'm stacking on my guap up into the sky. I can be in love and shit. I told Akiri, be patient. We gon' live life like we won the lottery. Get up on my way if you gon' lie to me. Only real niggas gon' fly with me. Only fill my water with exotic drinks. Till I can't, till it's hard to breathe. Run it up, you and me. Pull up with your bitch, yeah, drop. That boy talking shit, watch that pussy drop. Running around in your hood, smoking dope, drop. Maserati M on it, you know that should be a drop. With the top down, right around town, and your bitch down. Sucking on my dick, slop on my knob, make a nigga not quit. She ain't use no hands and she swallowing spit. Yeah. She only fuck with me cause she know I'm gonna be rich. Yeah. Find her on my bed in the morning.
Fuck that shit, now listen, shut your lips. Dumbest fits, taking over, I'm captain of this shit. Space Jam, boy you in a jam if you fuck with us. Boy you in a jam if you fuck with me. Kiri don't use no clip though, but he still with the shits though. Let me tell you ho, he ain't stopping now. Black man, what does it mean to be a black man now? Nowadays, doesn't mean to get followed and just upon, cause you ain't too fond of the color of my skin. I'm okay, I got a dream, so that's what I'm going to do. I'ma fulfill this dream, and I hope you should too. I don't care who you are, I ain't scared of you, I ain't scared of no man, and I hope you aren't too, so I hope you do you.
Oh my fucking god.